The ancient Egyptians were not just a civilization. They were a marvel of human ingenuity in the heart of ancient Egypt. A powerful story unfolds featuring the gods Isis and Osiris. These siblings were not only brother and sister, but also husband and wife, who ruled the land with harmony and wisdom. Their reign, however, was overshadowed by the jealousy and envy of their brother Set, who sought to usurp Osiris and claim the throne for himself. Set's malevolent intentions took form in a wicked plot. He deceitfully lured Osiris into a beautifully crafted chest, which he then sealed and discarded into the Nile River. But his treachery did not end there. He later found the body of Osiris, dismembered it into 14 pieces, and scattered them across the deserts and rivers of Egypt, ensuring Osiris could never return. Devastated yet determined, the goddess Isis embarked on an arduous journey to find and reassemble the pieces of her beloved husband's body. Accompanied by her sister Nephthys, the two goddesses overcame countless obstacles and dangers in their quest. Through their persevering efforts, they successfully collected each fragment and reconstituted Osiris' body. Using her profound magical abilities, Isis managed to breathe life back into Osiris. Despite her success, Osiris could no longer dwell in the realm of the living and thus assumed his role as the ruler of the underworld, guiding the souls of the deceased. Isis, with her undying love and determination, used her magic once more to conceive their son, Horus. Raised amid the tribulations of his family's past, Horus grew to embody bravery and the thirst for justice. As he reached adulthood, Horus confronted Set, engaging in a series of legendary battles marked by their ferocity and grandeur. With valor and divine aid, Horus eventually overcame Set, restoring peace and declaring himself the rightful ruler of Egypt. This myth encapsulates profound themes that resonated deeply within ancient Egyptian culture. The power of love transcending even death, the relentless pursuit of justice, and the cyclical nature of life and the afterlife. Through the story of Isis and Osiris, the ancient Egyptians expressed their enduring belief in the triumph of good over evil, family loyalty, and the eternal hope that binds all of existence.